Welcome to another episode of the Average Guy's Garage. Today we're going to be installing sequential turn signals on a 2011 Camaro SS. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you got to do, open the trunk. Then you'll have your covers here for the rear tail lights. First thing we got to do is pull off these 3 snap pins. They are a pain in the butt. I suggest you just be patient and take your time because I break these things all the time just because I get frustrated. So let's go ahead and take them off. Okay, so how you remove these snap clips is there's a little indentation right there. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. You get a flathead screwdriver and you slide it underneath and you just start to work it up. Now the best way I found is if you're having troubles, see how it won't pull up, is to get a pair of needle nose pliers, slide it underneath and work it up and it comes right out. Once you remove the snap clips, all you're going to do is take this piece of plastic off, put it off to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the outer tail light. Okay, so here's the inside of your rear tail lights. You're going to be removing the outer bulb, which is just right in there. I don't know if you can see it. And all you're going to do is push this down, so you're going to turn it counterclockwise and it comes right out. Okay, once you got it out, all you're going to go ahead and do is pull out the bulb. Don't break it in the process. Once you remove the bulb, you're going to identify the black ground wire. The kit comes with a zip tie. They suggest you put it on it just to remember which one it is. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to get the relay, and so it has an arrow on it, and that's the inside that plugs into here. So you want to put the arrow, that's not tight. So you want to put the arrow towards the black ground wire. That's the only way it'll work. So all you do is push it down, make sure it's all the way, and you want to make sure this covers everything because you don't want any water to get in there. See how it's kind of over it right there? You just want to pull it over and make sure it seals up nice and good. Now what you can do is you also can get some electrical tape and put it around it just so it seals it and nothing gets in there, but this works pretty well. So it's all the way on there. And now you put your light bulb in this part, just like so, and then you put this back in the housing. And then you just kind of tuck it down out of the way and you put the plastic cover back on and you're done. Okay, now that I had the other side installed, let's go ahead and see how they work. Thank you for watching The Average Guy's Garage. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informational. And as always, thank you guys for the support. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.